This video looks at techniques available in EmbroideryStudio to automatically convert artwork to embroidery. The Smart Design tools automatically recognize shapes in artwork, bitmap and vector, and choose suitable stitch types to use. Select the image and click Smart Design. If you have not processed it yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Manually locate and merge light colors as necessary. Image colors are automatically classified as fills or details, or omitted altogether. Select a color and use the Locate button to preview. Select a conversion method for color processing. Use your preferred thread chart as desired. Adjust stitch options for details or fills as preferred. All editing techniques are available to further refine the auto-digitized image. Change thread colors as preferred. Some objects have been assigned satin stitch due to their size. For consistency with related objects, you may want to change these to tatami. Adjust stitch angles as necessary. Adjust stitch types as preferred. Check the stitch sequence and reshape or remove any unwanted items. And there you have it, a simple, automatically digitized design ready for stitch out.